Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 15th of November. I'm James Spann. Got a few sprinkles over the Tennessee Valley this evening. Otherwise, our next chance of rain statewide will be over the weekend. Let's dive in and talk about it. Getting awfully close to Thanksgiving. Many questions about the weather, so here we go. Water vapor satellite view. You can see a trough passing north of the state, producing a surface boundary and pushing some clouds in here. There's the visible satellite view, and you can see clouds over about the northern quarter of the state. And those clouds will be spreading southward this evening. And underneath the clouds, we have rain falling mainly in the state of Tennessee. We do notice a few sprinkles across the Tennessee Valley, and really that's about all we expect. The air is very dry across the state. We do not expect rain as far south as Interstate 20, just some clouds this evening. Temperatures mostly in the low 60s, Birmingham at 63. Around the nation, very cold air nosing into the northern plain states. And for Alabama, the next really cold shot will be late in the weekend on Sunday, as you'll see, with highs dropping in the 50s by then. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Some winter weather issues out west. The eastern states are quiet. Convective outlook, no problems in terms of severe weather, just some thunder maybe for the northwest Pacific coast. Same thing tomorrow. And on day 3, which is Friday, maybe some thunder north of the state, but no severe weather expected. Will be dry Friday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday evening of next week. And this is suggesting rain amounts between 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch for the northern part of the state, lighter amounts down to the south. But let's dive in here and talk about it. Model fans, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. This is at 500 millibars. Deep trough over the northeastern states. Got a zonal flow here, a dry air mass, and a sunny day. High should be in the upper 60s, mid to upper 60s. Friday, sky will stay sunny. Highs, I'd say 67 to 70. And we start the day in the 30s now, Friday morning, with that surface high on top of us. In fact, we could see quite a bit of frost Friday morning with mid-30s likely. In fact, we're going to bump the numbers down a bit, but again, a nice warm-up with a high between 67 and 70. Saturday, here comes our next front. Surface low east of Detroit. And we still think the better chance of rain will be late Saturday afternoon and Saturday night. This is Saturday night at midnight. And then Sunday should be mostly sunny, breezy, and much cooler, with highs dropping in the 50s. This is the European Saturday night at midnight, suggesting that's when the main batch of showers will likely come through here, Saturday night. So again, I think a pretty good chance we get in the Auburn and the Alabama home football games before the rain. Those games kick off at 11. We'll mention a small chance of a shower during the second half in Tuscaloosa, but again, it looks like the bulk of the rain will be Saturday night. No severe weather. Rain amounts will likely be 1/2 inch or less, and then Sunday will be breezy, cool, and dry. Monday morning should be cold. The GFS is printing 29 for Birmingham. We have upper 20s in our forecast. The high will be in the upper 50s. The sky will be sunny. Tuesday, sunny. We creep back up in the 60s, and beyond that, it's the big Thanksgiving holiday forecast, and it's kind of muddy. And I'll just say up front, the consistency is not good. Confidence is not high. This is Thanksgiving Eve in the upper levels. Wednesday of next week, the 22nd, troughing moving through here. And now the GFS brings in sufficient moisture for showers. Previous runs have shown this to be dry. They've shunted the rain down to the south. So, again, it's a low confidence forecast, but this run suggests we need to mention a chance of showers on Wednesday. And all of a sudden, we don't get into cold air on Thanksgiving now. This is showing the Arctic front north and west of the state, and this is suggesting Thanksgiving Day could be cloudy with a chance of showers and highs in the 60s. Other runs have shown a cold and dry day with highs only in the upper 40s and low 50s. But clearly it's a very cold air mass. That is a 1,046 millibar high over British Columbia nosing in here. So at some point it should turn cold toward the end of next week. And then this is Friday, the Arctic front just creeping in here. This is Black Friday the 24th. And then on Saturday, the 25th, The coldest air still holding a little north and west of the state. And look at this, a big snowstorm showing up for Oklahoma City and Amarillo and Fort Smith, Arkansas, and Springfield, Missouri. With icing in Dallas-Fort Worth, and that'd be a big mess over Thanksgiving. But this is nothing but pure voodoo at this point. Obviously, confidence in a specific forecast is very low, just something we'll be watching. We'll peek at the numbers. You can see the cool down coming late this weekend. On the ensemble, it's got Birmingham down to 30 by Monday morning of next week, and beyond that, highs look relatively cool. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.